Air fryer tomatoes. Easy tips and tricks. KD4U. In the ever-evolving world of culinary gadgets, the air fryer has emerged as a kitchen favorite for many home cooks and professional chefs alike. Its capacity to cook food to crispy perfection with significantly less oil has made it a go-to appliance for health-conscious individuals. Among the myriad of dishes that can be prepared in an air fryer, tomatoes stand out for their versatility and the unique flavor profile they acquire through this cooking method. Air frying tomatoes is not just about convenience. It's also about bringing out the natural sweetness and juiciness that these fruits possess. Whether you use cherry tomatoes, plum tomatoes, or even hearty beefsteak tomatoes, the air fryer can elevate their taste and texture. Perfectly roasted air fryer tomatoes can be a delightful addition to salads, pasta, pizzas, or served as a flavorful side dish on their own. With the right tips and tricks, preparing air fryer tomatoes can be as simple or as sophisticated as you want it to be. From selecting the best tomatoes to mastering the ideal cooking time and temperature, there are several factors to consider to achieve that perfect crispy exterior and tender, juicy interior that makes these air-fried treats irresistible. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essentials of making air fryer tomatoes, sharing easy-to-follow instructions, expert tips, and creative recipe ideas. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these insights will help you make the most out of your air fryer and enjoy the deliciousness of perfectly cooked tomatoes. The tomato transformation, air frying revolution. Why air frying elevates tomato flavors. Air frying tomatoes is not just a cooking method, it's a flavor transformation. The rapid circulation of hot air in the air fryer basket concentrates the tomato's natural sugars, resulting in an intensified sweetness and depth of flavor. Unlike traditional roasting, which can sometimes lead to mushy textures, air frying creates a delightful contrast between a slightly caramelized exterior and a juicy interior. Nutritional benefits of air-fried tomatoes. When you cook tomatoes in the air fryer, you're not just enhancing their taste, you're also boosting their nutritional profile. The cooking process increases the bioavailability of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its potential health benefits. Additionally, air frying requires minimal oil, making it a healthier alternative to pan frying or deep frying. Comparison with other cooking methods. Compared to oven roasting or stovetop cooking, air frying tomatoes offers several advantages. Faster cooking times, more even heat distribution, less energy consumption, easier cleanup. These benefits make air frying an attractive option for busy cooks looking to maximize flavor while minimizing effort. Selecting the perfect tomatoes for air frying. 1. Best tomato varieties for air frying. While almost any tomato can be air fried, some varieties shine brighter than others. Cherry tomatoes, perfect for snacking or adding to salads. Roma tomatoes, ideal for sauces and pasta dishes. Beefsteak tomatoes, great for slicing and using in sandwiches. The key is to choose tomatoes that are firm and free from blemishes for the best results. 2. Ripeness considerations. The ripeness of your tomatoes will significantly impact the final result. For air frying, choose tomatoes that are ripe but still firm. Avoid overripe tomatoes as they can become mushy during cooking. If using underripe tomatoes, extend the cooking time slightly to develop more flavor. 3. Size and shape. Impact on air frying results. The size and shape of your tomatoes will affect how they cook in the air fryer. Smaller tomatoes like cherry or grape varieties cook faster and more evenly. Larger tomatoes may need to be cut into halves or quarters for even cooking. Consistent sizing ensures all pieces cook at the same rate. Prepping your tomatoes, from wash to seasoning. 1. Cleaning and drying techniques. Proper preparation is crucial for the best air-fried tomatoes. 1. Wash tomatoes gently under cool running water. 2. Pat dry thoroughly with paper towels or a clean kitchen cloth. 3. Ensure tomatoes are completely dry to prevent steaming in the air fryer. 2. Cutting styles for different dishes. The way you cut your tomatoes can impact both cooking time and final texture. Whole, best for small varieties like cherry tomatoes. Halved, ideal for medium-sized tomatoes in salads or as a side dish. Quartered, perfect for larger tomatoes or when making sauces. Sliced, great for sandwiches or as a topping for bruschetta. 3. Seasoning blends that complement. Air-fried tomatoes enhance the natural flavors of your tomatoes with these seasoning ideas. Classic Italian, olive oil, fresh basil, garlic, and a pinch of salt. Mediterranean, oregano, thyme, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Spicy kick, red pepper flakes, paprika, and a touch of cayenne. Remember, a little seasoning goes a long way. Let the tomato's natural flavor shine through. Mastering air fryer settings for tomato perfection. 1. Temperature guidelines for various tomato dishes. Finding the right temperature is key to perfect air fryer roasted tomatoes. For a quick roast, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. For a slower, more concentrated flavor, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. For tomato chips, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius for a longer period. 2. Timing secrets for optimal texture. The cooking time for air fryer tomatoes can vary based on size and desired outcome. Cherry tomatoes, 5 to 7 minutes. Halved Roma tomatoes, 8 to 10 minutes. Tomato slices for chips, 2 to 3 hours at a low temperature. Always check your tomatoes halfway through cooking and adjust as needed. 3. Adjusting settings for different tomato sizes. Larger tomatoes may require lower temperatures to prevent burning. Longer cooking times to ensure even cooking. Periodic shaking of the air fryer basket to promote even browning. Creative air fryer tomato recipes. 1. Stuffed air fryer tomatoes. Try this delicious air fryer recipe for a unique appetizer. 1. Hollow out medium-sized tomatoes. 2. Fill with a mixture of breadcrumbs, herbs, and cheese. 3. Air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Crispy tomato chips. Create a healthy snack with this simple technique. 1. Slice tomatoes thinly. 2. Season with salt and your favorite herbs. 3. Air fry at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 hours, checking regularly. Air fryer tomato sauce from scratch. Make a quick and flavorful sauce. 1. Halve Roma tomatoes and season with olive oil and herbs. 2. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. 3. Blend the roasted tomatoes for a rich homemade sauce. Pairing and serving air-fried tomatoes. Complementary herbs and spices. Enhance your tomato recipe with these pairings. Basil and garlic for a classic Italian flavor. Thyme and rosemary for a Mediterranean touch. Cilantro and lime for a fresh, zesty twist. Dish combinations featuring air-fried tomatoes. Incorporate air-fried tomatoes into various dishes. As a topping for bruschetta or crostini, mixed into pasta dishes for added depth. Served alongside grilled meats for a flavorful side presentation. Tips for impressive serving. Elevate your dish with these presentation ideas. Arrange colorful cherry tomatoes in a spiral pattern. Layer sliced air-fried tomatoes with fresh mozzarella for a twist on caprese. Use as a garnish for soups or salads for added visual appeal. Troubleshooting, common air fryer. Tomato issues, preventing soggy results. To avoid soggy tomatoes, don't overcrowd the air fryer basket. Pat tomatoes dry before seasoning. Use a light hand with oil to prevent excess moisture. Dealing with uneven cooking. Ensure even cooking by cutting tomatoes into uniform sizes, shaking the basket halfway through cooking, arranging tomatoes in a single layer at the bottom of the air fryer, rescuing overcooked tomatoes. If your tomatoes are overcooked, blend them into a sauce or soup. Chop and use as a flavorful topping for pizzas or flatbreads. Mix with fresh tomatoes for a textured salsa. Storing and reheating, extending the tomato joy. Best practices for storing air-fried tomatoes to maintain freshness. Cool completely before storing. Refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze in freezer-safe bags for up to 3 months. Reheating methods that maintain texture. To reheat without losing quality. Use the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes. For a quick option, microwave in short bursts to avoid sogginess. Incorporate into new dishes like omelets or pasta for added flavor. Freezing tips for batch cooking. When freezing air-fried tomatoes. Freeze on a baking sheet before transferring to bags to prevent clumping. Label with the date and use within 6 months for best quality. Thaw in the refrigerator overnight before using final thoughts. As we've explored the world of air fryer tomatoes, it's clear that this simple yet innovative cooking method opens up a realm of culinary possibilities. From intensifying the natural sweetness of cherry tomatoes to creating perfectly roasted Roma tomatoes for pasta dishes, the air fryer proves to be an invaluable tool in elevating the humble tomato to new heights of flavor and texture. The versatility of air-fried tomatoes is truly remarkable. Whether you're looking for a quick and healthy snack, a flavorful addition to your main course, or a unique appetizer to impress your guests, air fryer tomatoes offer a solution that's both delicious and easy to prepare. As you continue to explore and experiment with air frying tomatoes, remember that the key to success lies in understanding your air fryer, selecting quality ingredients, and not being afraid to get creative. Meta description: discover the art of air fryer tomatoes. Learn tips, tricks, and recipes for perfectly roasted, juicy tomatoes in your air fryer.